Well, I'm sure you've been in a situation before where your door hardware does not fit in the existing hole. And that happens quite a bit. Typically, in the newer hardware, you need a 2 1/8 of an inch hole. And sometimes that's a little hard to drill when there's already a smaller hole. Now, there are tools out there where you can assemble a smaller drill bit inside of the bigger drill bit, in this case the hole dozer from Milwaukee, but I think the Spider platform is the one you have to use for that. With that being said, the easiest way to do this is with a template or a jig. Grab a 2x4, piece of plywood, whatever, drill out the hole, then clamp it to the door in the appropriate spot, and drill your new hole size right on through. And that's it.